taught for our West Coast Swim class here every Thursday at Next Nightclub. And what we sincerely hope is you use it next time you go dancing. This is a move that involves a lot of shaping with your arms, shaping with your partner's arms, and shaping with her body. So it's a really cool move. You've got to lead it specifically well. Sugar push to begin, and you begin in a right to right. Now, however you wish to do that when you're social dancing, however you want to get into a cooler way, that's great. For the class's time and for what we're showing, we just want to make it a little bit easier. Just as she's doing her 5 and 6, just go in a right to right. When you're going to bring her by your right side leaders, ask for her left on top. So you're going to bring her by. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So you just bring her by your right side. When you have the right hand underneath, when you bring it by, you're going to have the right hand on top. So going front to back, as you bring her by, my right hand is above. So after your 4, guys, you want to be off the rail. You want to be on the right side of the rail to give her a clear view of what's coming up. So you're going to bring her forward on that. So sugar push, 2, 3, and 4, 5 and 6, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I'm getting ready to do with my left arm is create an oval. And it's hard to see from that view. If we go this way, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4. I pull it forward on her right foot, and I'm getting ready to do this. Now, if she's looking at it, she's like, okay, what is that? Something's coming. Because what you're doing with that arm is a loop. You're going to loop it over her head. So you're going to want that circle a little earlier than you want to do it later. So on a sugar push, 3 and 4, switch hands. Bring her 1, 2, pull it forward, and I raise my left elbow. So what we're going to do is really slowly, we're going to go 5, 6. So over her head for the 5, 6. And then as she turns again to the right, you triple step and switch hands at the end. So we did do that well enough to explain it. We'll do it again. When you get to 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6. So I'm holding her right with my left, and then vice versa. As she's continuing to turn to the right, triple step. Take her right hand and put it into her left. Okay? So going this way. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Bring her up onto her left foot, who's on my right. So that quickly is pretty cool. But you got to make sure if she feels the pressure of that arm, she can be able to prepare. Now again, if she doesn't notice it, guys, adjust your height, raise your elbow higher so she doesn't get hit. Don't hit her head. So after the end of that, we just added some walks. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, switch hands, 2 walks, get her out, the move is done. Okay, so we're going with this direction because the move ends in a different position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, I loop, bring her through, do 2 walks, and I'll let her go. So front to back, try to do a little bit slower. So we're going to do a sugar push first, switch hands, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, switch hands low, 2 walks, let her go. Guys, remain off the track to the last sugar, run to the last sugar. So at the end, finish this, sugar push. This is called looper. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Send her down the royal. You're done. I get up grabbing her wrist on that last part, and then just send her down the track and you're done. Thank you, my dear. Hope you like that, guys. We have a bunch of loops in our loop series. I think we have about 7 or 8 of them. So this is one of them we've taught years ago. Bringing it back tonight. We hope you use it. That's why we do it. Remember to click subscribe for the new video next week. We will have one for you. Until next time, have a great week. And as always, keep dancing.